Like it or not, but this generation of AMD CPUs will be with us for a while. If you feel like now is the best time to get into AM5 for some reason, well, the MSI X670E Tomahawk Wi-Fi is one of the more, well, sensible options if you're going this direction. Now then, let's see exactly what MSI sent me over to peruse over. It's a Tomahawk motherboard, alright. I mean, if you've seen my videos on the Intel variants of this motherboard, then you pretty much know what to expect aesthetics-wise. But what about the actual features? Now, PC expansion-wise, you pretty much get everything you need. So you get 1, 2, 3 full PC 16X slots, and also a tiny little 1X slot here as well for those smaller cards. And yes, people always tell me that 1X slots are needed, and you can just put a 1X card in a 16X slot, but at the same time, we can all agree it looks better, right? Like, you wouldn't go outside wearing clothes that are 4 times too big, so why do it to your expansion cards? You also get 4 M.2 slots, though I don't know if it's just something missing in my review sample, but there is no heatsink for the 4th one. Again, I don't know if there's supposed to be one or not, or if there's just one missing from the sample that MSI sent me, but whatever, by the time you've seen this video, you know the answer. And the primary PC Gen 5 one is a bit bigger, given how the SSD itself is also a lot hotter, but it's also definitely not on the level of something like a Aorus when it comes to the amount of heatsink at your disposal for cooling your M.2s. So speaking of storage, MSI, why do you have to do this to me? I praise you guys so much on the Intel side for not cheaping out and only including 4 SATA connectors. So what do you go and do on your AMD motherboards? That's right, there's only 4 SATA-free connectors. Who needs more than 4 nowadays? I don't know, but it's about the principle. But if there's something that makes me feel better in life, it's good rear I/O, and there, wow, MSI do certainly deliver. Because you get two USB Type-C ports, which is pretty amazing. However, you do only get like, what, 6 USB Type-A. Now, to MSI's credit, they are all USB Gen 3 or faster. Now, that is absolutely amazing. But come on, just give us like 2 Gen 2 ones right here. 1 for your mouse, 1 for your keyboard, because they don't require that much bandwidth anyway. I mean, there's just that much wasted real estate space here that is just almost insulting. Yes, I know I can get emotional about the rear I/O. You do also get both HDMI and DisplayPort for integrated graphics, Wi-Fi 6E, and also the full array of audio options, which again, seeing how some guys like Gigabyte are skimming on that in the last few generations, the fact that MSI are still one of the good ones is still a great thing. But coming back to Wi-Fi for a second, let's see exactly what the antennas look like, because a nice, sexy pair of antennas does definitely go a long way. Okay, so you get like a little V-shaped stand for it then, and you just kind of pop it in one way or another. Why can't I figure this out? Oh, there it is. Look at it. It's a little thing. It's a little starship. It's a little, I don't know, it's just a Wi-Fi antenna. What do you want from me? Oh, and if you're wondering, it does have magnets on the back, so you can just stick it anywhere pretty much. But yeah, I don't know, 8 out of 10. Could use more antenna. Okay, what else do we have here apart from some information about how proud MSI are about a motherboard? Well, you do get pretty much all your standard accessories, I'm pretty sure, including, oh, these are adorable. Look at these stickers. This is the most exciting part of the motherboard. Just look how cute Lucky is. And also, I just really like this one right here, mainly because it's like, you know, my channel's color scheme. Like, I know that MSI expect me to send this motherboard back, but don't tell anyone, okay? It's gonna be a little secret. So as far as motherboards go, the MSI X670E Tomahawk is certainly one of them. While it does have some distinctive features, like for example, a lack of RGB, which depending on how LED happy you are, that can either be a good or a bad thing. It is overall pretty solid, but of course, the full review of it is coming very soon, so definitely subscribe so you don't miss it. And of course, if you want to buy it yourself, then Amazon links to it will be down in the video description below. And like looking at it, I'm trying to think of some other things to say, but it's a motherboard. I've done so many motherboard videos at this point, like what can I do to make them different and entertaining? Why am I sat here anyway, just analyzing every small detail about a motherboard when my peers are out having fun and getting married or whatever? I'm done. I'm done, everyone. I'm just done. But not before I tell you about a Patreon, because even a single $1 a month truly goes a long way, while you get awesome perks as well. Plus also huge thanks to our existing patrons Gavin Burns, Justin Rage, Ella Vroniak, Dev Panda, Bartosz Velka, Meg Somnoshing, Allcroft, Lansby and Level Up. But anyway, that's about it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.